Hey guys, I'm Nikki. So today I am going to teach you how to remove the back seats of your Prius. I have a 2006 Prius. This should work for a good range of them. Before I get started, don't forget to like, subscribe. If you like what you see, share it with your friends, and let's get started. And if you're anything like me and you don't even know what a power tool is, I'm going to take you through every single step, right? It's super intimidating, but I'm even going to show you, I'm going to tell you what a bracket is. I'm going to tell you everything so you can do it on your own. Don't be intimidated. Let's do this together. All right, so before you even go to taking out your back seats, what you're gonna need, you're just gonna need a power drill. You can get them really cheap. Home Depot, Walmart, all the above, and a Stanley socket set. These are the two things you're gonna need so you can match it up to your brackets, know what sizes you need. And with just those two tools, you can get to work. So you can have all these options, right? All you're gonna need is a 14mm socket, and that's gonna be for 3 different bolts on the big side of the seat, right? So you get your power tool. First thing you're gonna do is just bring back the Velcro, right? See what's underneath here? And what you'll see is right over here and right over here, you're gonna make sure this is in reverse, right? So for all my people out there who don't know, because I didn't know this for the longest time, you got this and then you have reverse. So you're gonna have it in reverse. And we're just gonna go ahead and get these babies out of here. Beautiful. Did I get that enough? Yep. Okay, so you're gonna take these out. You'll see that loosens up the seat, right? So now you have one more. You're gonna go ahead, kind of pull out the seat here. Make sure these come undone a bit so it's stuck to here. Let's see, how are we gonna get in there? So if you want to check it out, so right here where the seat belt is, because you want to release this, you're gonna go ahead, still in reverse. Or is it the one right here? So still in reverse. I went for the wrong one, y'all. Beautiful. All right, let's get that out of there. All right, cool. Now you officially have your back seat out. Step 1. So this is the back seat without there. Ready to move on to the next step. Let's get the other side. Also, side note, if you don't have a power tool, you can do the whole thing with a handheld ratchet, right? So like sometimes these bolts will get a little stuck and I'll do it by hand, but you can do the whole thing by hand if you need to. We're on to the other side. This side is exactly the same as the other side. Difference, there's only just the 2 bolts. So we're good to go. Still have this in reverse. Or you can use a handheld ratchet if it gets stuck, any of the above, or you don't have a power tool, totally cool. So let's go ahead and get these out of here. You guys, I'm so excited about this build out. I am freaking out. I've been in this car for almost a year and I'm finally doing something about it. All right, let's go. Okay, so next step, we're gonna take out this part of the seat, right? If you're gonna go that far. So you're gonna pull the fabric back here, and what happens is there's this metal bracket. I already put it through, so I'll show you again. But it goes through this metal bracket and you have to turn it slightly so the flat head goes sideways. And then you're gonna pull it up. It takes a little bit of strength. Bam! All right, so what happens, so you can really see, is first when you put it through this hole, just popped it a little bit, it hits like this, and then you just wanna kinda turn if yours is as big as mine, and then you popped it up. So that worked out great. You got one side, let's get the other. Got my guns. Let's do this. All right, through the hole. All right. Okay. Nope. Ah, yes! Wow, that was aggressive. That was weird. Okay, so we just popped it up. This literally, the whole thing just comes right out. Perfect. Guest appearance. Hey. All right, guys, so next step is we really just want to declutter everything. There's going to be a few more things here. So we want to switch to a 12mm socket, and we're just going to take out some of these, right? We're going to go at this bolt. We're going to go at these 2 bolts here. We're going to take out this so we have the bolts on this side, and then right over here. So we're just going to go to town at that, and we're going to just declutter. It'll be wonderful. backwards and reverse. That's one. That's two there. We're taking out this one. Look at that. Nice and clean. And then you have your last one on this side. You guys will see what I'm talking about. And now we are all set and ready to go. Oh, just kidding. I missed a spot. Right here. Nice. Just lost a bolt under there. And if you take a look, we're all clean here. Love it. Lost the bolt here. You remove your back seats. Super easy. Don't be intimidated. Just go for it. Subscribe to my channel. Look at that. And what? It took maybe 5-10 minutes. Piece of cake.